and gentlemen, our ISD and principal David Henson are proud to present the pride of Central High School, your nationally awarded Lightning Dance Team, under the direction of Julia Webb. 2015-2000 sponsors include Andrew Bennett, Betadine, Linda Mister at Highland Mortgage, Kimberly Carver and the Carver team at Keller Williams. Managers for the Lightning Dancers are Reynolds Tomita, Sydney Levy, Shelby Meir, and Emma Wald. This year's social officers are President Kathleen Yancey, Vice President Junior Haley Conklin, Historian Junior Gail Anderson, Chaplain Junior Jordan Jeff Coates, Treasurer Senior Mariana Gutierrez, Secretary Senior Julia Yang. The 2015-2016 dance officers are Junior Lieutenant Jacqueline Crable, Junior Lieutenant Mackenzie Lackey, Senior Lieutenant Riley McCall, Senior Lieutenant Sydney Tapia, and Captain Leslie Washburn. This week's performance is dedicated to our #1 fans, Lightning Dancer parents. Spirit Girl of the Week is Morgan Cochran. Dancer of the Week is Morgan Schlossman. Lightning Dancers will be performing a kick routine accompanied by the Central High Charger Band. Here is Don't Go Breaking My Heart.